Danger is often unpredictable. It may appear from where you don't expect it at all, or it may not appear at all where it would be logical for it to be. Near-death experience captured on camera. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
Don't think it's a joke, because during the 1999 Le Mans race, Mercedes was flying at a speed of 300 km per hour. After 4 backflips, Petro Damrick's Mercedes landed among the trees. This guy decided to fight one-on-one with a rock. At one point she couldn't stand it and tried to take him to her underground. It is better not to joke with nature. Not all heroes wear cloaks and shirts, but this guy literally saved a jumper from a rock. The racer was flying at a speed of 250 km per hour, and he did not know that a surprise was waiting for him in the fog. But professionalism and instant reaction helped him to escape. Many of you have done stunts on a plane in GTA. But what about real life? Brett Udina's turbo bike is so powerful that it took off right at the start. This girl seems to have won a super prize. These two Fords were already close to the finish line when a racer named Martini decided to destroy his opponent, as in the game Mario Kart. One of the cars took off into the air, did an almost perfect somersault, and continued to drive on 3 wheels until the finish line. If extreme TV shows seem boring and stupid to you, then watch this video with a drunken crane and its frenzied pipes. The driver clearly quarreled with his motorcycle before the race because the iron partner dropped the rider, did a side flip and drove himself towards the finish line. The man decided to take a shortcut along this road and almost fell under a stone rain. How lucky these guys are. It's a good thing they weren't in the car. The car is certainly a pity, but it's not critical. The guy went to the racetrack, but soon regretted it. A car was coming towards him at an incredible speed. The guy was lucky, and he got off with only a broken side mirror. He walked away so calmly, as if he already knew that this driver would break the rules. But still, the act is not good. This is a Porsche literally flying over the track, doing a somersault at the same time. It turns out that flying cars appeared back in 1998. Fate itself tells the guys that it's better for them to rest today. Michael Schumacher was leading at the Belgian Grand Prix until David Coulthard braked right in front of him. As a result of the collision, Schumacher's front wheel fell off, but he did not stop the race. Instead, he got to the pit stop without slowing down on the remaining 3 wheels. I think the car was not running on fuel, but on his anger. Immediately after the stop, Schumacher attacked Coulthard and accused him of attempted murder. Working in production is dangerous in itself, but such moments are generally frightening. Who installed this thing and how? The racer is a real good fellow that after the fall he pulled himself together and was able to avoid an accident. Do you still think that luck doesn't exist? No experienced pilot could have handled such a situation. The guy was very upset that he was left without a skateboard. But does he realize that he has just saved his life? Do you want to know what millions of dollars worth of damage looks like? A racer named Daniel crashed into a wall during the Macau Grand Prix, and Lawrence Vanther could not go around his crashed Mercedes, and then 14 more cars crashed into it. Imagine, the audience is laying out thousands of dollars to watch this race, and this happens on the first lap. That's the reaction every mother should have. Well done. What do you think, luck or maternal instinct? What's wrong with the driver anyway? Does he not see where he's going or what? The guy's good reaction saved him from a strange chauffeur. Cruz Pedregan is cooler in a real race than Dominic Toretto in Fast and Furious. His funny car drove through the finish line on its rear wheels at a speed of 350 km/h, as if the Transformer had forgotten that he had a human driver and almost turned into a robot. This cyclist definitely does not have the instinct of self-preservation, otherwise I don't even have a guess why he did this trick near the fence. One nice kick from the foot and the crocodile changed his mind to attack. But the man didn't even realize that his life was in danger. I think now the most important thing is to get out yourself and only then pull out the transport. Here I'm somehow not surprised that the man flew head over heels down. By some miracle, he managed to get this thing and cling to the rock. Or was he trying to repeat some super dangerous trick? Write in the comments what you think. I'm just wondering how many nerve cells he lost while flying. Wisdom of the day. Fasten your helmet before you start moving at a speed of 322 km/h. Look how he raised his hands and immediately blamed the other guy. What a confident gait he had a few seconds ago. The girl was in such a hurry to get to the meeting that she didn't even have time to thank God for her salvation. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your like and write in the comments which video you liked the most. See you soon. Peace.